Hi, this is Bob with CarCovers.com. Today I want to show you how to install your sexy new black satin shield cover for your car. Now before you install the cover for the first time on your vehicle, there's a couple things that you need to look at. Number one is your antenna. If your car is newer and you have the shark fin antenna, you don't have to do anything else. The cover is going to snugly go over that and fit without any trouble. If you have a whip antenna on one side or the other that won't remove, then what you'll do is you'll begin to put the cover on, find out where the location of that is, poke a little teeny hole so that it can slip down over the whip antenna, and we provide a really cool grommet that will give you a reinforcing hold just where that antenna is. So those things you need to know. You don't have to worry about the position of the cover with your mirrors because there are no mirror pockets. It snugly forms around your mirrors, but you don't have to worry about aligning there. And then at the very front of the cover, there will be a tag to show you which end of the cover is the front and which is the back. So just look for the little label that says the front of the cover. For the first time ever putting a cover on, it may seem a little awkward to you. I find that if you roll the cover up, all right, you reverse roll the cover and then place it on the back end of your car, one person can easily install and remove this cover. So we've got it already hanging here on the back of the car. Get it in place and then just slowly begin to unroll it over your car. Now because this is stretchy fabric, what I find helps is if you bring it up, kind of flip it over your mirror on one side, and then come over here to the other side, grab it, bring it down. Don't be afraid to stretch this. It's going to feel like you're going to overstretch. Can't do it. It's made to be stretched tight so that it can hug every contour of your car. So bring it down, pull it nice and tight, bring it under your bumper. If you get it on, you need to bring it forward a little bit. Just take and lightly caress your car. Kind of smooth it forward a little bit. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So soft, so supple. It's going to protect your coat, your clear coat on your car and your paint. It's going to keep the dust off of it. And look how nicely it hugs every beautiful contour of your car. If you want to get a nice black, soft satin shield cover for your car, give us a call at CarCovers.com. We'd be glad to hook you up.